For this video, we're going to be finding the highest common factor for two numbers. To start off with, you're going to have two numbers, for example, 35 and 21. So finding the highest common factor means a factor means finding the numbers that have to be multiplied together to make each of these numbers. So to make 35, you're going to have 1 times 35. You would have, it's not in the 2 times table, it's not in the 3 times table, it's not in the 4 times table. In the 5 times table, it would be 5 times 7. It's not in the 6 times table, it's already in the 7s. It's not in the 8 times table, not in the 9s, not in the 10s, not in the 11s, and not in the 12 times table. So that's what we have so far, 1 times 35 and 5 times 7. So over here, we're going to do the same again. So we're going to have 1 times 21 equals 21. Not in the 2 times table, it will be 3 times 7. Not in the 4 times table, not in the 5 times table, not in the 6 times table. We've already done the 7s. It's not in the 8 times table. It's not in the 9s, not in the 10s, the 11s, or the 12s. So to find the highest common factor, we need to find the largest number that appears both this side and this side. And that is going to be 7. So the highest common factor of 35 and 21 is going to be 7.